Friends, in this video we are going to see the introduction of the poem Let Me Not to the Marriage of True Minds, or sonnet number 116. So friend, this is the most beautiful poem composed by William Shakespeare, and its serial number is 116 in the collection of sonnets. So friend, the theme of this poem is love, and it is rich with depth of feeling, but simple in words. In this poem, friends, the poet has described the meaning of true love in the most appropriate and accurate form. He highlighted the essential qualities of true love. The artificial love changes with the changes in time, but true love is like the sun in the sky. It is not prey of time. Time cannot play its game of decay and destruction on true love. The poet compares here true love to the fixed pole star. Time destroys everything. He says, friends, time destroys everything, but true love is more powerful than time. This poem expresses the feeling of love of universal appeal. Its rhyming is AB, CD, EF, GG. It appears that the poem is addressed to the friend, benefactor, and patron of Shakespeare, Earl of Southampton, William Herbert. So, this sonnet is considered Shakespeare's one of the best sonnets. This sonnet has a universal significance. It is composed in a usual Shakespearean pattern. It sums up the ideas of a whole sonnet epigrammatically. In the words of Crossland, it has the effect of crunching or crowing the quatrains which precede it like as epigram. It derives home it derives home the poetic anvil to the head. It is overall, friends, a love sonnet. It conveys the universal feelings of love. This sonnet is, friends, is very sweet, sensuous, and acquired with the exuberance of the poet's emotions, and it has sincerity and frankness. It is highly subjective in tone, and friends, its simplicity is such charming. So this is, friend, the introduction of this poem, and we will discuss this poem line by line in our upcoming videos.